If you appreciate home fragrance like candles and air fresheners, but haven't tried out a reed diffuser yet, this video is for you. They're simple to make, look elegant, and are a great way to expand your customer base. Here's how we use our version of Bridgewater Candle's iconic Sweet Grace fragrance to make a reed diffuser that stands out from the competition and will diversify your line. Begin by gathering your supplies. To make a reed diffuser, you'll obviously need fragrance, but what's arguably even more important than a top-notch scent is a quality diffuser base. That's where our in-house premium reed diffuser base comes in. It's formulated to blend seamlessly with your fragrance oil of choice and carry it steadily and effectively into the air. With it, all you need to do is measure, mix, and pour. Depending on how strong or thick your fragrance is, we recommend a usage rate of around 33% fragrance to 67% diffuser base. Measure both of them out using a lab or kitchen scale for accuracy and mix them together in a glass or HDPE plastic container. Stir well until the mixture is uniform and use a funnel to transfer it into a reed diffuser bottle. A good reed diffuser bottle should have a narrow neck like this one to prevent the fragrant liquid from evaporating too fast, giving the reed diffuser a short shelf life. I like to use bottles that can hold at least 3 ounces of liquid in total, but ultimately the size and shape of the bottle are up to you. This vase can hold 7 ounces of diffuser liquid in total, so we can fill 2 bottles with everything we just mixed up. With all the liquid in the bottle, you can either seal it up so it can be safely stored and shipped to your customers, or you can use it right away and add the reeds now. Natural rattan or synthetic reeds both work well, but avoid reeds made from bamboo. That can clog and won't effectively carry the liquid. The number of reeds you use depends on your bottle size. As a basic guide, you can use about 4 to 5 reeds for every half pound of liquid. The more reeds you use, the stronger the diffuser will be. To finish this diffuser off, add some floral reed toppers. You can buy these in bulk for an affordable price on marketplaces like Amazon or DIY supply stores. They really help to elevate the look of your diffusers, taking them to the next level visually. Their design really tells a story when used with floral fragrances, like the one we use today. Now you have a fragrance bouquet that effortlessly accents any space. This is a quick, simple, and cost-effective product to make. If you already make candles or air fresheners, it's easy to create a whole line using the same fragrances you already have on hand. This does wonders for expanding your base of potential customers and encourages current customers to try something new with a fragrance they already know they love. Check out some of our other reed diffuser how-tos if you haven't already, and find more ways to use our fragrances on our channel. Please leave us a like and subscribe to AFI if you haven't already to become a member of the Fragrance Fam. There's plenty more videos like this one headed to your feed, so stay tuned for more, and we'll catch y'all then. Thanks for watching. Bye.